Okay, first let's talk about pulling an end dump, which requires a wet kit, which is what we call the hydraulic system that raises the trailer up in the air to dump the load out. This is attached to your tractor. It's attached to your transmission that pumps hydraulic fluid into the cylinder that raises the trailer up. You actually buy this and we install it here at Oakley while you're going through orientation. How do you pay for this? No money up front. It is going to be a cost to you. But what we do is deduct that at $175 a week, but we do not start that until your escrow is paid up fully.
A wet kit here at Oakley is going to cost you around $3,900 installed. That's a brand new wet kit with 12-month warranty. A blower is a little more expensive. A blower is going to run around $10,500 installed.
For pneumatic tanks, it's a little bit different and a little more expensive. You have to have what we call a blower system installed on your tractor. And this basically produces enough air to pressurize the pneumatic tank so you can blow the product out the product line into a customer's facility. And we need to know a little bit about your truck before coming to make sure we can install it on your trucks.
They're gonna put a hydraulic tank on the back. They're gonna put a PTO with a pump device under your truck mounted to your transmission with lines that run to it and from it to the trailer where it's operational. They're gonna show you how to use it, and they're gonna hook you up with a seasoned driver, and they know which drivers take the time and try to show a guy the right way.
You know, raising those end dumps up 45 foot up in the air can get to be pretty scary. So we try to train you here on the yard. After you leave here, we turn you loose with a trainer, maybe a week or so where you can really feel comfortable before you try to do it all by yourself.